Oh yeah,
Oh,
I sure.
nice mess of
Us three of them.
Got a couple decent ones.
Oh yeah, some good ones in there.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Holy man. All I'm getting is these little shits. Yeah.
Oh my God. My nuts are tingling. Holy man, PB right here. You think that one's big? Man, is that a monster. Oh, he's gonna fuck up my net, man. Size of that muskie.
Fucking hog, dude.
It's a big rock bass. Holy crap. Oh, giant smallmouth. Big perch on right now. Big perch. That's a good one. Maybe. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Oh shit. And that noodle rod's getting slammed, man. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh dude, that feels good. That one feels good. That's a good one. That's gotta be a good one. Oh yeah. Another keeper at least. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what it's all about, baby. That's what it's all about, baby. You know, that perch. You know, that perch. Sir, that's a good one pulled out of there. Looks like we got a 3 keeper pulled out of there so far. Only been here for about 5 minutes. John's got a good one. Looks like his first keeper of the day right there. Well, yeah, it's definitely a keeper. Borderline, but it's there. Got a little bit of shoulder on him. Did you lose a good one? Yeah, it's a keeper. Borderline, but a keeper. Swallowed it anyway. There's a keeper. Or just pulled a keeper. It's about, yeah, why not? John just pulled a nice one out of there. Bring it close. Nice close up of that bad boy. Johnny's nice perch pulled out of there. Yeah, that's gotta be a good one. That's gotta be a good one. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, keeper. Keeper. Definitely keeper. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Digger. That's a digger probably. Huh? Keeper? Oh, that's a good one, Johnny. Sir. Oh yeah, nice perch. Getting into him. Another keeper pulled out of there. Time to line them up. That's gotta be a good one, right? Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. It's not a jumbo, but it's a keeper. Get excited when you don't get one for a while. Yeah, I'll take that one. Sir. It's getting kind of slow now. Sun's come up, getting a little bit warmer out. These fish are moving around. Schools of bait fish down there. Fish don't really have to work for the food that much, so they're looking for a real easy meal. Nope. Eric's probably got a keeper. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Put that in the bucket. Yes, sir. Does it feel like a good one? Boy. 2, nice. Heck yeah, doubleheader. Oh yeah, both keepers. Both keepers, John. John caught a doubleheader keeper. Sweet. Yeah, bring a close-up. I want to see a close-up of that. Yeah, doubleheader for Johnny. Sir. Those are on plastics.
Yeah. Get them all on plastic or minnow? That's what I'm thinking.
He caught 2 keepers on plastics.
Yeah.
What we got here? What we got? Ooh, he's digging. He's digging. Ooh, it's a jumbo, I think. What's a keeper at least? Oh yeah, that's a good keeper. Good keeper. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's the first one I've got in a while. Nice keeper perch pulled out of there. Heck yeah. Slowing down a little bit, but we're still getting them. Just working them crappie rigs. Working them crappie rigs. Sir. Filling up that bucket, baby. Might have a little bit on them. Not. Yeah. He's a keeper. That's what I would say a borderline. That's what I would call borderline right there. Bare minimum. Bare minimum. Come on out of there. But you know what, just in case, let's be smart. Oh yeah, he's 8. Yeah, that feels like a good one. That feels like a good one. Yeah. That's gotta be a keeper. Come on, baby. Yeah, that's a good one. Yes. About time. There we go. Pull that keeper out of there. Oh yeah, that's. Yep. It's a good one. Yes, sir. Perfect hook set. Not too bad. Too bad perch on there, sir. 2. Oh no, this ain't no dig. This ain't no freaking dig. Hell yeah, definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. Oh yes, yes sir. So it's all about, baby. It's all about. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, it slowed down a little bit, but I'll tell you what, we're still getting into them. Doing pretty good down here. Put them up pretty good. Maybe 10. 10 with some chops. 10 with some chops. Something's on here. Something's on here, Johnny. Johnny, something's on here. Yeah. Yeah, something good's on here. I got something good. I got a good one, dude. It's a good one. Oh yeah, dude. This is a jumbo. It's a jumbo. It's a jumbo. Or at least a good one. Oh hell yeah. It's got some chops on it. Oh yeah, that one's got some chops. How's that, Johnny? That's a choppy. Sir. Whiplash. Whiplash. They're still in there. You know, that gives you promise. Sir. Sir. Get back in there. Pull it out. Sir. That was middle. Yep. Well, I'll tell you what, it's been a little while, but I got in there. At least 20 in there, got 30 some on the stringer. Oh hell yeah, there we go. It's been a while. Eric's got a digger on. Oh yeah, he's digging. That's a good one. Hell yeah, dude. Man, that's a good way to end the day right there. Holy smokes. Nice big jumbo pulled out of there. Yes, sir.
There you go.
Sir, jumbo pulled out of there. Sir. Ooh, this one's digging, dude. Look at that dig. Look at that dig. Look at that dig. Dude, look at that dig. Oh yeah, that's a jumbo, dude. That's the biggest one of the day. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at the size of that perch. Look at the size of that perch. My first big jumbo of the day. Holy smokes, dude. Pow. Pow, baby. That's what we're after, baby. We get 30 of them like that. Good shape, baby. Yeah, dude, that's like Gary Gold. That's what we're after right there. Gold bars, baby. Yeah, yeah. Now I'm heated up. Hot rod's heating up. there. Get that thing up here. I want to get a close up. It's like you're all quiet over there, and all of a sudden you pull out a football. Oh, yeah. This one's from Johnny. Oh, yeah. Just pulled him out. It's been probably an hour and a half since we pulled one like that. Yeah. Maybe on the other. Oh yeah, I sure. Us three of them.
Got a couple decent ones.
Oh yeah, some good ones in there.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh man, all I'm getting is these little sticks.
Yeah. Ha 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 ha.
What did we get a lot of them earlier?
Yeah, the morning was the hot bite.
Yeah.
8 o'clock.